Hello viewers, I'm Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 2 under the topic super mesh analysis. So here the problem is for the circuit shown in figure, find the current through the 10 ohm resistor by using mesh analysis. So here this is the given circuit diagram, and this circuit diagram has 3 voltage sources and 2 current sources. So here we are going to use super mesh method. So here the first thing is the combined super mesh equation, that is, you see, because in each loop totally we have 3 loops, but in each loop we have only one resistors, right? Here in the first loop I have 10 ohm, in the second loop I have 5 ohm, and in the third loop I have 4 ohm. So I am writing combined super mesh equation. So first you see, I am starting with this loop. So the voltage drop across this resistor is the respective current flowing through the first loop is I1. So 10 into I1. And in the second loop it is 5 into I2. And in the third loop it is 4 into I3. Right. And now we are going to write the respective voltages. So here you see, here the direction is from minus to plus. That is, again this is Kirchhoff's voltage law. So sum of voltage drop equal to sum of voltage rise. But here I had written all the things together. So now we had explained for, I had given explanation for 10I1, 5I2 and 4I3. So here you see the current flows from minus to plus, therefore it is plus voltage source. Therefore here which is equal to 15 volt. And when you look at the second loop, the current flows from plus to minus. Therefore here it is minus 20. And again in the third loop, you see the direction of current flow is from minus to plus. So therefore it is plus. So therefore here it is plus 40. Right. Rather than writing this term on the right hand side, I had written everything on the left hand side. Therefore here you see this 15. Here it is minus 15, and this minus 20 is plus 20, and this plus 40 is minus 40. Am I making clear? So that's it. So the next thing is we are simplifying. So 10I1 plus 5I2 plus 4I3. So minus 15 plus 20 and minus 40 gives you minus 35 equal to 0. Let this be your equation number 1. Now we are going to write the relationship, that is we are going to write the currents. So you see, this 2 amps is common for first loop and second loop, and when you look at the direction of current flowing, you see here I1 flows like this and here I2 flows like this. They are opposite to each other. Therefore here I am writing it as I1 minus I2, which is equal to 2. Right. And when you look at this part, okay, when you look at this current source, so here you again you see here there is, you can have a doubt. Why we are writing it as I1 minus I2? Why can't we write it as I2 minus I1? So here in this case you see this 2 amps flows in the direction of I1, right? So here we are writing it as I1 minus I2. And again here this current source, you see, this is in the direction of I3. Again here I3 and I2 are opposite to each other, but this current source is in the direction of I3. So here I am writing it as I3 minus I2 equal to 2I1. So again I am simplifying. I2 can be written as, that is I2 is moved to the right hand side, therefore this minus I2 becomes plus I2. So this I2 is equal to I1 minus 2, and here again I3 is equal to 2I1 plus I2. Okay, name them as equation 2 and equation 3. Now we are going to substitute this I2 and I3 values in equation number 1, because here what is the question here? We need to find the current through the 10 ohm resistor. So what is the current that flows through 10 ohm resistor? It is I1. So here our aim is to find I1. So you see, this is the equation. Now I am substituting, I am replacing I2 and I3. So I2 is replaced with I1 minus 2 and I3 is replaced with 2I1 plus I2. Right. So The next step is we are going to simplify. So 10 I1 and here 5 into I1, 5 I1, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. And here 4 into 2 I1, 8 I1, 4 into I2, 4 I2 equal to 35. Anyway, I need only I1. Therefore, again I am replacing this I2 as I1 minus 2. So you see I2 is replaced with I1 minus 2. So here I am simplifying the equation. You see 10 I1 plus 5 I1 plus 8 I1. So when you add 10 plus 5, 15 and 15 plus 8, 23. So 23 I1 and this minus 10 plus here this I2 is replaced as I1 minus 2. So when you multiply here you have 4 into I1, 4 I1, 4 into minus 2, minus 8. So again when you simplify 23 I1 plus 4 I1 gives you 27 I1 and minus 10 minus 8 becomes minus 18 equal to 35. So again I am moving this minus 18 to the right hand side, thereby it becomes plus. So 35 plus 18 gives you 53. So what is I1? I1 is 53 by 27 which is 1.96 amps. So therefore the current in the 10 ohm resistor is 1.96 amps. So that's all. This problem gets over here. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.